Hello, this is Justin from Honors WP. Today we're going to be reviewing our messaging plugin and how you can hide the chat window from LearnDash courses, groups, and lessons. So there's probably a few reasons why you may want to hide the chat window from those courses, groups, or lessons. One reason is just for distraction control. So if you offer a lot of courses, you have a lot of users taking those courses, it can be a little overwhelming for the student to try to navigate through, 10, 15 different courses, um, and navigate through those conversations. So if some of your courses may not need the ability for communication, just getting rid of that option does kind of create more of a distraction-free environment for your learners. Another reason that you may want to hide the chat window is for privacy concerns. So, say you offer courses with content that may be more sensitive to users. So that gives you the ability to hide those courses or lessons, depending on the content. And above all, it just gives you the ability to create a more customized learning experience for your users. So, whatever the reason may be, being able to hide the chat window from courses, groups, and lessons just gives you a more tailored experience for your users. So to get started with that, we're just going to go to our dashboard. We're going to navigate to LearnDash and then down here to the chat settings. And we'll scroll down. So select courses to hide. Let's say we want to hide the chat window on the How to Use LearnDash Shortcodes course. For groups, let's say we'll hide the spring semester LearnDash group. So a use case for this is, say you have users enrolled in both groups, but currently it's fall and you're offering fall semester courses. So hiding the spring semester group from the chat window just eliminates any potential for somebody chatting in that group where it's not relevant right now because it's not the fall semester. So this allows you to just hide the spring semester group until that time comes where those courses will be opened up. And so for lessons to hide, let's go let's go down to basic programming concepts and let's hide the first two lessons. A reason for this is, Sam, I created this course and I don't want student to student communication until the third lesson, just so that way the students can have a good grasp on the concepts and content that they're reading and learning. So this gets rid of um, maybe questions that don't really pertain to the course or anything else that really isn't about the course that you don't want to really have conversations about until the third lesson. This allows you to hide the chat ability from the first two lessons. So that way students can grasp the concept more firmly before conversing with each other. So now that we've selected what we want to hide, we'll click Save Changes. All right, now let's review a user that is registered on our LearnDash site. So this is Cheryl Dots, and we'll scroll down to the LearnDash courses and LearnDash groups they are enrolled in. So we can see here, they're enrolled in 5 courses. You can also see they're enrolled in the How to Use LearnDash Shortcodes course. They are also enrolled in both the Fall Semester LearnDash group and the Spring Semester LearnDash group. So let's log in as them and see how the chat window works and where it will be hidden from the courses, groups, and lessons that we specified earlier. All right, so we are now on our site as Cheryl Dots, the student. So first, let's go to community chat. So this community chat page was created with our messaging plugin shortcode, which I will link in the description. So our shortcode allows you to embed the chat window on any WordPress page or post. And depending on the courses and groups the student is enrolled in, will dictate what shows up on the window here for them. So you see here, we have 4 courses. The one course that's hidden is the How to Use LearnDash Shortcodes course. So that is hidden from this chat window. You can also see that the spring semester group is also hidden from the chat window. And just clicking through, so this is the course. The instructor has already sent a message and a study guide. Then if you'll notice, any other student that is enrolled in the basic programming concepts course also shows up here and I'm able to chat with them. The reason I'm able to chat with them is just going back to our settings is that I do have the restrict chats to only students and teachers setting to no. So when that is set to no, I'm able to not only chat with the instructor of the course, but also any users that are enrolled in the course. Same thing with groups. So anybody that's involved that is enrolled in this fall semester LearnDash group, I can also chat with individually. So now let's go to the LearnDash course page. As you can see, we are enrolled in this course. As you can see here, we can chat right here. Just click on the tab. There are no messages currently, but this is where we would chat if we had any questions pertaining to this course. Now let's go back. Now let's go to the How to Use LearnDash Shortcodes course. As you can see here, the chat tab does not appear. That is because we hid it in our LearnDash chat settings. So the ability to chat is not available on this course. Now let's go down to a course where the chat ability is hidden from lessons. So basic programming concepts. Now the chat tab does show up here. That's because this is the main course page. So students are still able to chat here on the main course page, as well as the group they're enrolled in and anybody else that is enrolled in the course or group. Let's go down to our lesson. So let's go down to the first lesson. Now, as you can see here, we do have courses and content displayed right here, but there's no chat tab. There's no ability to chat on this lesson at all. We'll go to our second lesson. Same thing as we specified in our chat settings. There's no ability to chat here. And then going to the third lesson, as you can see, the chat window has appeared again. And now students can chat on the lesson page just like they could on the course page and the community chat page I just showed you. So again, these settings can be useful for whatever reason you may have to hide chats from certain LearnDash courses, groups and lessons. So yeah, that could be a distraction control, privacy concerns, or just creating a more personalized learning experience for your users. These settings allow you to do that. So feel free to reach out with any questions you may have and stay tuned for more videos.